So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make one of these like nifty little straw candles. So they're really simple and you're not going to burn your house down making one. So here we go. First of all, you're going to need one of these battery powered tea lights, and you're going to take some straws and you want to cut them in down to about 2 inches, 5 centimeters, 2 inches, roughly about that size. And we're going to decorate the outside of them with it to create a nice little effect. So I am going to take some double-sided sticky tape and I'm going to place this around the outside edge of the tea light. You can use glue for this, but as you probably know from other videos, I'm not very patient when it comes to letting glue dry when I'm actually filming tutorials. If I'm making something by myself, I can wait. When I'm filming, no patience for it. And I apologise for the blurriness. So once that's gone around all the way around, I peel off the back end so it's sticky. Then I am just going to take the straw pieces and stick them around the edge, making sure they're lined up to the bottom, like that. I do find this easier if I actually lay it down on a flat surface. And then I know all the straws are going to be flush to the bottom of that. So I'm basically just going to fill the whole edge with the straws, and that creates the candle. You can use different coloured straws, you can use just one colour, be as creative as you like. It creates loads of different effects depending on what colour you have. So this is what it looks like at the end. As you can tell, not all the straws are actually cut exactly the same length, but just to secure the straws a bit more so they don't fall off like that one, I'm just going to take some pattern tape. I'm just going to use some of this gold washi tape, and I'm just going to put it around the bottom. This just tidies up the bottom as well. So you just place that around, it's at the very bottom. It will hold all the straws nicely in place, just making it a little bit extra secure and just breaking up the candle a bit so it looks nice. There you have it, it's all finished, and all that's left to do is to turn it on and use it. Like I say, you can make different ones. I have made another one as well where I actually just used 2 colours and I've done the straws different heights. It's not really great, this one, but it looks better in the dark. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe. I can't even say it. Subscribe please. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to share a picture if you make one to be featured on my fan gallery page of my website. Thank you.